Hey, it's your girl Geechee Bella and welcome to Grace Necessities. Shout out to all my Grace babes, and if you would like to become a Grace babe as well, simply hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get the latest uploads every week. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, but don't forget to share this video as well. I know a lot of y'all been trying to figure out how to do these doggone locks, and here we are. We got the tutorial going now. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So I'm not going to talk through the whole video just because I want you all to get all the juices from the video and the details, but I will chime in as necessary just to make sure that you all understand what it is that you're actually viewing. Okay, let's go. So as you can see, I'm braiding her hair, her natural hair, into individual sections, and we're using the shell parts. So we're rounding our parts. You can do them square, you can do them triangle, you can do them round. There is no specific way to do your partings, but this will be the start, the foundation of your hairstyle. Moving right along, the hair that I'm using is the spring twist. We used anywhere from like 3 to 5 packs. I think the pieces that I used at least maybe 3 pieces to do each lock. I also wanted to give you all the disclaimer that this video is going to be very transparent. You're going to see the struggles that I had. You're going to see where the hair is getting kind of caught up and tangled up, where it gave me difficulties, and I wanted you all to see that because it's not just straightforward, get it right the first time. This is not one of those styles. Not to mention, these butterfly locks are based on imperfection, so it not being perfect is perfectly fine. But I do want to mention right here, I am taking her natural hair and I'm making sure that I put it in between the hair so that it doesn't show. It's not on the very top, neither is it on the very bottom, but it's actually hidden. It's for protection, but also so that it doesn't show when you're wrapping. Okay, so I know a lot of you may have seen these locks done where they stick their thumb in to get the hair to stick out the way it needs to, but I actually use this method. It's a pull or a tug, if you would call it, and simply it gives it the same effect, but it allows me to still move with a quick pace because I could not quite get that thumb thing. I've tried it a couple times, but for me, the pulling kind of worked well. And then you'll also see me do some kind of other different type of techniques that I probably couldn't explain in words, but it got the job done. So just keep watching. Okay, so right here, I know y'all see me struggling with these stringy pieces of hair. Okay, so technique tip, simply just take a scissors and cut that end off. You don't have to do a blunt cut all the way up to here, but just enough to get those little strands from just getting in your way because it's super annoying. For me, I like to move quickly, and to me, it kind of slows me down. Look at all those balls. See, we don't like that. Just snip it off, keep it moving. Okay, y'all, so this video is jam-packed with technique tips. Right now I'm getting ready to show you how to simply just add color to the lock. So you just want to take the lock that's already been created and then just take the color that you want and just start wrapping over that. Nothing specific, nothing special, nothing perfect, just wrap. Just sit the hair on top of the lock and wrap. The spring twist here, the great part about it is that it kind of secures itself. There's no glue, no sewing, no tying, none of that is necessary. You just simply wrap until you get to like a thin end of the piece, and just keep wrapping until you run out of hair, and it just literally stays. So basically what you're witnessing right now is another one of those technique tips that I can't quite explain how to make it work, but it just does. I fluffed the hair and then I just wrapped. I just grabbed strands and wrapped, and by doing so it kind of formed the lock the way I wanted it to look. So now that all of her locks are in, it's time to accessorize. She chose to do string and shells for a very cute Afrocentric look. With the string, you just simply wrap it around, and for the attachment of the shells, I will be uploading a video very soon on that, so be on the lookout for that one. So once accessorized, here is the final look, with special requests for some of the ends to not be completely even and some curly and some wrapped up. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget again to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember that grace is a necessity.